In this video, we're going to reveal the second big breakthrough that you're going to have with improving your shoulder health. This is going to reduce aches and pains and take your strength to the next level so that you can do things that you've only dreamed of. Make sure you stick around to the end because this is a follow-along routine to increase shoulder mobility, joint strength, and reduce pain.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
So the second big breakthrough that you're going to have with increasing your shoulder strength, flexibility, and general health, getting rid of those aches and pains, is learning about end range strength. Now, if you didn't see the first breakthrough moment, make sure you watch that video. There's a link in the description here. But end range strength refers to creating strength through your full range of motion in your shoulders. Flexibility is not enough. Just stretching is not going to get you there. You've got to create strength through your range. And the two ranges that we're going to work in this video that have had some of the biggest breakthroughs for us and our tribe, thousands of members around the world, is internal and external rotation of the shoulders. I'm going to take you through a follow-along workout right now where we're just going to go through one round, but you can do 3 or 4 rounds of this. And you can do this 2 times a week, 72-hour break between each workout. And this is going to dramatically increase your shoulder health. So what we need is a couple of yoga blocks or anything that you can elevate your shoulders off the ground. We need 3 different sets of weights that are below 2.5 kilos that incrementally drop. So I've got 1.5, 1, and then half, and you'll see why. We're gonna start with our shoulder external rotation drop sets. Now, this is, I'm going to be laying face down on the ground, so things might get a little bit muffled here. Excuse me in advance if that's what happens, but I'm doing this as a follow along. So what we're going to do is we're going to get down. I've set up my yoga blocks so that I can keep my elbows off the ground here. And I'm going to grab onto my weight, my heaviest weight, and we're going to do 3 times 3 second lifts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my shoulders down and I'm going to lift as hard as I can for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, relax. Shoulders down, second rep. 1, 2, 3, relax, shoulders down. Third rep. 1, 2, 3. Hey, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym. I'm one of the co-creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we turn driven people into athletes with meaningful daily workouts that balance strength, flexibility, and fitness all into the one 60-minute workout. If you want to know how we do that, you can grab one of our free blueprints by clicking the link in this video. We've got the strength blueprint, the flexibility blueprint, the nutrition blueprint, and more. These are going to give you our top breakthroughs that we've had in our training that led us to where we are. Completely free, just click the link and grab it. And if you want to grab one of our programs, if you're ready to just dive straight in and you want to get strong or flexible or fit, you can grab one of our standalone programs like our super popular 18-minute flexibility routine or our handstand masterclass or our flexibility masterclass. We've got so many. Again, you can click the link in the program there. And if you're ready to go straight in and start doing online coaching with us, where you can work with me, with my brother Yanni, with Richard every day in our private coaching group, you get customized workouts that are done in 1 hour. Follow along with me, then click the link. You can get a 30-day free trial of our UMS online coaching program. Relax, and then we grab the next weight down. So this is our drop set. Rest a little bit. Just give yourself 10 seconds or so. Okay, shoulders down. 1, 2, 3. I'm working really hard here. Relax. Second rep. 1, 2, 3. Relax. And last rep at this weight. 1, 2, 3. Now we get the last weight, the lightest weight here. 10-second break between sets. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Relax, shoulders down. 1, 2, 3. Relax. And again. 1, 2, 3. Now we get rid of the weight and we do 5 ballistic reps, lifting up as fast as you can. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! And I've really worked that end range strength of my external rotation pattern. Now we're going to do internal rotation, okay? This is done a little differently. So what we're going to do here is somewhere between probably 2 and 4 kilos. So I guess that's, I don't know, about 5 to 9 pounds or 4.5 to 9 pounds, something like that. So from here, we're going to lay down on the ground. And what I'm doing is I'm really making sure that my body is at this 90-degree angle here. We don't want to be like this, okay? And what we want to do is keep the shoulder firmly into the ground, 90-degree angle in the arm here. And I'm grabbing onto my weight here. And I'm just resting my body. And we're going to do 5 reps where we go down as low as we can. And then back up. And again. And back up. And again. All the way down. Back up. I've lost count. I think this is 4. Back up. 1 more. Just let the weight pull you down. Back up. Now we remove the weight and we're going to do 5 contract, relax. So what that means is, no, sorry, remove the weight, we hold the weight. But from here, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to lift hard against my hand, so I'm contracting here. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. And just let the weight pull you down deeper. And again, contract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax, let the weight pull you down. You can see with each rep, I'm going a bit deeper because my nervous system is becoming, the muscles and the nervous system are becoming fatigued. And now we want to do 5 more reps in the new range. 1, so as I become fatigued, 2, it's harder for my body to fight against the movement. So you can see I'm getting a lot further down than I did at the start of this round. 3, 4, 5, nice. And now we're going to change sides. This side is not going to be as good as my other side. I've actually just recovered from a slap tear on this arm, on this shoulder. No surgery, but my range of motion is still a little bit restricted with internal and external rotation. That's okay. At least I didn't have to get surgery, or I chose to not get surgery. All right, here we go, tribe. We do our 5 reps. So let the weight pull you down. 1, 2, 3. So even if you don't have great range, like me in this shoulder, 3. This is still a wonderful exercise for you to do. 4, 5. Okay, now we're going to do some contract, relax. So we just go to our end range, put the arm here, contract, so resisting against it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release. Oh, that's really getting in there. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 4, 5. I've lost count, but let's call that 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice one. And then you can just repeat that, just going back and forth. A and B, just like we spoke about in our first video where we spoke about the balance between push and pull in the fundamental movement patterns. We're balancing push and pull in the external and internal rotation. It is critical for you to get right. And doing just these 2 exercises, doing 3 sets 2 times a week, is going to dramatically change your life, and your shoulders will never feel better after several weeks of doing this. Make sure you tune in to the next video in this series where we're going to reveal the next big breakthrough that we've had with shoulder health. There's 5 videos in this series. Make sure you check them all out. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.